So delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a kale and spinach fusion blend smoothie. So yes, this is the container: whole strawberry, blueberry, sliced banana, chopped kale and chopped spinach. So before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment on my channel. Tell me what you think about my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your continuous support and sharing of my videos. Okay, thank you so much. Remember to follow me on all social at Ann Booth on TikTok, Facebook, you name it. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Okay, so let's dive right into the main video. So as I said before, I'm gonna make a kale and spinach fusion blend smoothie, and it consists of whole strawberries, blueberries, sliced banana, chopped kale and chopped spinach. So I don't have to do any work. It's already done in this package. Okay, so I have all of that in this bowl. I have a yogurt that I will be using, this one. I have some milk and I have my cup and my blender, so I'm gonna get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add these foods to the blender. All of these. Okay. So if you think you need to make a smoothie and you don't want to cut up these fruits, you can always buy these. I buy this one at Stop and Shop. So yeah, you can always get them and blend smoothie to your liking. Okay, so I'm gonna add this. It can go on your foods. If you have in your foods, you just squeeze some on it, or you can go on your vegetable. See, real fruits and vegetable, so you can eat it with your foods, or you can make a smoothie with it, or you can just have it alone. And you can also give your children. This is so easy for the children to have. Okay, all right. And this one is consists of strawberry, beet, berry. All right, so I'm gonna add some milk. So I'm gonna add maybe half a glass of milk. Oh, and I'm gonna add some ice, guys. I'm gonna add some cube ice and some cube ice. So because I'm adding the cube ice, guys, I didn't put enough milk, plenty milk, because the ice is gonna melt on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend. So easy. And there you have it, guys, all done. My kale and spinach fusion blend smoothie. I'm gonna gas this now. Wow, so looks so thick. So guys, if you're watching your sugar intake, this is a smoothie for you. It's not sweet, it's just right. So go ahead and try it, you will love it. So tasty, so delicious, so tasty, so delicious, guys. Go ahead and try it, you will love it. All right, my kale and spinach fusion blend smoothie. Yes, so tasty, so delicious. Go ahead and try it. What I have in it is all that is in the package: kale spinach fusion blend, and I use some milk and some cube ice. That's about it, and it's ready. So tasty. So remember to like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.